Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel. Today in this topic I want to tell you about the future simple tense. What is future simple tense and how we will use the future simple tense. So let's start our topic. Future simple tense. Future simple tense. The definition of future simple tense is it we use for those actions in which we will think about future. That is called future simple tense or for future plan. Future plan or planning. It we use for those actions in which we will think about future or for future planning. That is called future simple tense. I mean the actions in which we will think about. हम सोचेंगे अपने फ्यूचर के बारे में या कोई भी सोचेगा अपने फ्यूचर के बारे में, वो फ्यूचर सिंपल टेंस कहलाता है. या फ्यूचर प्लानिंग के भी यही प्लानिंग द सेम इज देयर और थिंक अबाउट फ्यूचर, दैट इज कॉल्ड फ्यूचर सिंपल टेंस. सो द नेक्स्ट इज हेल्पिंग वर्ब. व्हाट इज द हेल्पिंग वर्ब ऑफ दिस टेंस? द हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज helping verb. What is the helping verb? Will and shall is the helping verb of future simple tense. The next is helping verb mean which helps in our sentences. Now the next is positive formula. Positive formula. What is positive formula? Subject plus helping verb plus first form for plus object plus full stop. Subject plus helping verb plus first form for plus object plus full stop. It is our positive formula. And the next is positive example. He will drive a car. He will drive a car is our subject. Will is our helping verb. Drive is our first form for, and I is our article, then car is our object and full stop. It is our positive formula and the positive example. With the help of formula we can make our sentences. With the help of formula we can make our beautiful sentences. Step by step I will tell you. Subject plus helping verb plus first form verb plus object plus full stop. It is our article. We can use article in every sentences. Now the next is negative formula. Negative formula. What is negative formula? Subject plus helping verb plus not plus first form for plus object plus full stop. Subject plus helping verb plus not plus first form for plus object plus full stop. It is our negative formula. And how we write the negative example? The negative example is he will not drive a car. He will not drive a car. वो गाड़ी नहीं चलाएगा. He is our subject. The same helping verb is here. After that, the next is not. Here also not is present. And then first form for after that object and full stop. I is our article. So this is the negative example. He will not drive a car. He will not drive a car. Subject plus helping verb plus not plus first form for plus object plus full stop. It is our negative formula. The next is interrogative formula. Interrogative formula. What is interrogative formula? Helping verb plus subject plus first form for plus object plus question mark. Helping verb plus subject plus first form for plus object plus question mark. This is our interrogative example, interrogative formula, and I will tell you now the interrogative example with the help of this formula. With the help of interrogative formula. Now the interrogative example is the same. Now will you bring at the first? Will they play cricket? Question mark. Will they play cricket? क्या वो क्रिकेट खेलेंगे? Will is our helping verb. The same helping verb will come at the first. Then the next step is subject. They is our subject. The next is play. It is our first form form. It is our first form form. Here look at the same. After at the first helping verb will come, then subject, then first form form. After that object is there, then question mark is there. The next is our first form form. The next is object and question mark. With question mark we can end our sentence. Without this our sentence is incorrect. I mean it's wrong. Our sentence is wrong. Without full stop, the same example is here. The sentence is incorrect. It is wrong. More sentence you say you are thinking it's right, but the petty mistakes will destroy your complete sentence, destroy your complete practice. I mean the thing you practiced, just the petty thing will destroy your complete practice. So this is our future simple tense. If you people have any question regarding this topic, regarding future simple tense, so I am ready to answer you. Kindly tell me in comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you for watching my video.